On this video, we are going to talk about the same thing we talked about on the last one, and that's the fact that we've got a 50 amp RV electrical system. It's set up with line 1, line 2, a neutral, and a ground circuit. So on this diagram, blue is neutral, red is line 1, purple is line 2, and green is your ground. Now, the only thing different about this is the last video we showed just one break in the 50 amp electrical system, and we also showed how you can create 240 volts or up to 240 volts when in fact each of our appliances on this RV are rated to operate on 120 volts. So we never want to get an error on this electrical system or have a bad connection on this electrical system that will create 240 volts because our appliances are rated for 120 volts. So where are the bad neutral connections that can take place? So if we look at this thing, we've got the campground receptacle, and we can get a bad neutral at the campground. We can get a bad neutral connection in the shore cord. It can, have a bad wire. The connections on both ends of that can be bad. And again, we can have a bad neutral here at in the transfer switch area, or in the cord between the shore inlet and the transfer switch. And then we can get the same bad connection that we showed on the previous video, or we can have a loose wire connection here on the neutral bus bar. All that to say on this video is we can have multiple appliances on leg 1, and we will on every 50 amp equipped RV, and we'll have multiple appliances on line 2, but all of these appliances are going to get a different voltage other than 120 volts if this neutral wire connection goes bad anywhere on the coach. So if you're a technician and you are going down through this system looking for places, you're going to inspect the power cord, you're going to inspect the connections on the shore inlet, you're going to pull the lid off the transfer switch, you're going to check your connections, make sure they're clean and tight, you're going to check your bus bar connections inside the load center. But one thing I would like to focus in on is the fact that on this 50 amp shore inlet that we've got on the side of the coach, now that's screwed to the side wall of the coach, and that's where your power cord plugs into. There's a connection where your cord plugs in on the front side, but there's also a screw terminal connection on the back side of this shore power inlet, and that connection can also go bad, and that's a sleeper because a lot of people won't think to look there. That connection will go bad. You'll get voltage variations here between your appliances. You'll burn out the appliances. Therefore, anytime you've got appliances that have burned out on your RV, you want to check all your neutral connections.